This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Bandicam and updating your GPU drivers so encoding runs smoothly. Once done, open Bandicam and pick game recording mode because it hooks DirectX/OpenGL for low overhead capture. Make sure you assign hotkeys for start/stop and pause to avoid menu navigation mid-game. Also disable unnecessary overlays and background apps to prevent dropped frames, and confirm your microphone and game audio devices are chosen so audio tracks record as expected. Now you tune quality versus performance. Pick H, 264 or HEVC and set a bitrate around 1525 Mbps for clear 1080p video. If you need higher fidelity, increase bitrate but watch disk usage. Set FPS at 60 for competitive gaming or 30 to save resources, and enable hardware encoders like NVENC, AMD VCE, or QuickSync to offload encoding from the CPU. Make sure you choose full screen area capture for minimal input lag, and test short clips to confirm you're ready to record. Run a quick test clip to check audio sync, frame rate, and file size, then start your full session with the hotkey. Save recordings to a fast SSD and use automatic splitting if you need multiple files. Make sure overlay and webcam settings are positioned and scaled properly. If you notice dropped frames or stutter, reduce bitrate or FPS, switch to a hardware encoder, and ensure GPU drivers are current. This troubleshooting step usually restores stable capture performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.